everybody. Today is January 1st, 2023, and today we're out on Greg Lake, and we're going to be going skiing, or not skiing, skidooing and ice fishing. It's going to be fun. And we're in Pa's new truck, and then Matt's just behind us in his all-black Dodge Ram. Yeah, it'll be fun.
You didn't video, did you?
Yeah, I did.
It's coming out on the ice?
Yeah.
Okay, so we put the tent up right here?
Here we are. We've chosen our spot.
Greg Lake camping.
But we're not camping.
Actually, the trucks get better than I thought. I thought the snow was deeper. No, it's not. No, it is great. Someone's already been all over here.
Here we are, setting everything up. Got the tent set up. Dad's drilling holes in the ice. And Matt and Maddox are already gone.
No, I'm good for now. Yeah. Swimming.
The boys are out having fun.
Yeah, Maddox won't let Matt stop.
Man, is it sunny out. Just a beautiful day.
Yep.
Now we just need the temperature to warm up.
It is a nice sunny day. And we have
GoPro bug?
yeah. Yeah, so far it's just Darby and I sitting here. And Matt and Maddox are outside on the sled. And Maddox loves it so much that he won't give his dad a break.
Typical.
Yeah. But it's okay, he's having fun. Nice.
Are you filming?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
Red dot means filming.
Get the sled.
Here we are. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for feeding the beast. Okay, you can roll the window. Okay. Bye bye.
You know
Everybody's
what?
here.
Underneath, like, we're on top of my gear, like, goose down is the best installation.
Having fun.
Yeah.
And Maddox and I did a little. Maddox fell off over there, and I wanted to go put him back on. And somehow I accidentally turned off the scooter or ski-doo or whatever. And so then I had to run away and signal down Darby. Help!
That was fun. Darby didn't realize that I'd taken Maddox off the
Yeah.
that, put him up front.
Yeah.
I couldn't
And then
see him.
I
I'm
saw her,
looking over, couldn't
and
see his
then
helmet or nothing.
I called her and said, "Don't worry, nothing bad happened." I just turned off the scooter, putting Maddox back on. and I just needed help to come start it because I've never started one before, so I had Matt come and start it for me. But it was just a red button that I had to push. That was it. Nothing too complicated. Yeah. And he came and saved us. And now we're back. Yeah.
Aliens. What a gong show. You do learn a lot when you spark watch first.
Depends what kind of person you are.
If you pay attention.
You think Johnny could undo a nut?
No, Johnny couldn't. Most of our cleanup. James. Well, James surprisingly. Yeah. Getting nothing.
Oh, right,
no
right.
bearings have been failing.
Is Band-Aid back?
Yeah, Band-Aids on 6-hour days.
And what about Sad Brad?
Sad Brad's still missing in action.
God, I wonder what my name is. Disappearing Darren.
Blister.
Blister. Gout.
He shows up when all the hard work's done.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Look at all those snowballs. 10 snowballs. There's 10? Holy moly. What are you going to do with all of those? Throw them at Travis?
Throw them at the fish if we ever get to them.
Yeah.
Be careful, don't take.
So when him and I were out here, was it last year or the year before? It was either that corner or that corner where we were catching them non-stop. But
Yeah, we
Sean-
caught like 8 or something, didn't we?
well, I called one. We, as in you, caught a whole bunch.
Yeah, I was excited.
But Tripp told me he caught a big one down in this area, right in here.
Yeah, I used to come in here a lot when I was younger, and it was like around this corner was not bad sometimes. I was just sight fishing, so anything I would see a tree that fell in the water, just cast along it, and then they hide under there. I don't think he ever did get it back.
So you got all the apprentices with you and Matt is down? Yeah, he's shifting. Oh, you said you shifted with him a couple days?
3 nights. It was the most brutal
Bury him.
I've ever had in my life. At that sawmill. That was as hard.
Those are like ice
balls.
balls.
Yeah.
They might hurt.
Yeah, Maddox, be careful. If you throw those at somebody, they'll hurt. Yeah. Yeah, legs only.
Taking shit.
Yeah, take out an eye.
Because the fucking heat from the whole mill was going down. It was down 12 hours.
Oh, stick
What are we
together.
going to do, pile time?
Ow. It's got like 40 layers on. Are you okay?
You need to cry?
Yeah, it looks like you twisted your whole self
You
up.
need to cry? Just one cry?
Look at that. That ball stayed together, sort of.
You don't. Those are icy. Don't throw them at people.
Oh, here I am throwing them at him.
Yeah, legs only.
They look like they could do some damage.
Where'd that one go?
Come on, Fisher.
I did. Hey, Travis.
Just spot.
Yeah, you get Travis.
Yeah, see, he's mean.
Oh, that was a good one.
Matt, you need to get a photo?
Yes.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, why not? Fuck it.
I don't hate that idea.
What about What?
Oh, right in the mommy daddy.
I said I don't hate that idea.
We're getting a fire going. Good job, Matt.
We'll see.
Good job, team.
No.
All about the big snow hills. It felt really warm inside
Yeah,
after
they're
a while.
super warm, super insulated.
Stop breaking stuff.
We were like 14 years old.
Good job, Maddox.
Do you need my help to bury me? That's not very fair.
Moskwa.
Oh, Moskwa! Gone forever.
Well, we go build your snowboard. But
Gone is the whiskey.
come up.
Moskwa! She'll be fine. She's over.
It's a party. It's a dog party.
Get it piled up first.
Not if
Here,
you gotta put
here,
the snow
yeah.
no, in the pile.
Yeah,
Not over here.
yeah, do the same as Travis. He put the snow in the middle to make a big pile. Yeah. Good job.
After I thought at first, like he wasn't trying or anything, I'm like waiting for that.
Get the color stuff out and put it on top.
I'm only on the other side, okay, Maddox? Only one hole, okay?
Yeah, don't start right there,
Yeah.
buddy.
Yeah, because then it will fall in. And then we'll have to restart.
There'll be no restarting. Yeah. Yeah.
Not yet.
Trade me shovels.
Yep, magic is happening. What did you say, Maddox? I love you too, Maddox.
Don't worry, there's enough of us. We'll dig them out.
Yeah.
When you get in there, I'll hand you the shovel. You start digging. This is how they used to coal mine in the early 1900s. They sent the children in.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, 120 years ago,
Yeah.
we took children from the mines. And now in 2022, the
Yeah.
most popular game is called Minecraft.
Yeah.
The children want their mines.
Okay. What'd you think?
Need to make it a little bigger? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, send Travis in there.
You alright? Yeah, my ass crack's showing.
Maybe that's way too big for you.
It's too big for me?
That's why you're throwing
That's what he wanted. That's what he's getting.
How you doing in there, Maddox?
The faintest. I'm good.
What?
Yay!
You want out? Well, let's make it.
Hey, if he's happy, we're happy.
Okay, there's more. Good night! We'll come back tomorrow and get you, okay? Yeah, good night.
Go clap through.
Pull out, Maddox. Come on out. We'll fix that.
Nice. You're so silly.
That wasn't too scary.
I think our fire's been more smoking than burning.
A little bit of
Okay, look at Mom.
Cheese.
Good job. Okay, oh, careful.
Yeah, you gotta be careful because the
Big brain shit.
Don't put it on top at the start. Put it on the sides first so they don't collapse.
Okay.
Oh wow.
enough now.